Hi guys, this is Irito and you are welcome back to my channel. I love to work with goblets. Recently I've bought a set of 6. I don't have an ideas for all of them yet, but I'm working on it. I was thinking of making a house in a flower, and this time I have an idea to show a little bit of an inside the house. So I'm going to build a tiny bed and a bead chandelier. I've seen one amazing idea on the Pinterest and I cannot wait to try it myself. I invite you to join me to this magical journey. This is the short version. If you prefer a detailed video, you can find the link at the description box. If you love what I do, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Gaining new friends is very inspiring.